What it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? That ain't nobody but Sumi Sue, about to do this hairdo for you. So if you're interested, stick around and keep on watching. Boo. Boop. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So we have another beautiful unit to showcase today. Today's unit is by KLAIYI. Wait, you can see it in there, KLAIYI, and it came packaged like this. Like how cute is this little bag? Like you can fill this up with something and give it to somebody. Yes, I like it. Y'all know me, always recycling. Okay, so today's unit is a 13x4, the drawstring. Can't forget the drawstring. Okay, this is a pre-everything unit, pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-everything. Okay, she is a Yaki straight. This is their Balayage highlight unit. Yeah, and she is, I believe, 24 inches. Okay, everything is gonna pop up on the screen right here, so don't worry. All right, for anything that I forgot to say, it'll be right here. First of all, it is a Yaki unit, and as you can tell, she has curls today. Okay, because I use my bendy rollers and I put it underneath the dryer. When it comes to Yaki tends to not want to hold a curl, so the best thing to help Yaki hold a curl is to really wet the hair, put some rollers in it and let it dry. Like it's going to hold a curl then. Like only then will the curl kind of set in. Like that's the best thing for Yaki hair when it comes to like wanting to, especially straight Yaki hair. Like the best thing for straight Yaki hair is to roller set, you know, like wet curl it and then let it dry underneath the hot bonnet dryer. Sometimes the curl and iron like is gonna fail you, especially a straight Yaki unit. So as you can tell, she has curls in her. She is a straight unit, and the highlights are so beautiful, and she's super full. And y'all know I love Yaki. Like Yaki always is going to have a special place in my heart. Like the lace is lacing. Okay, she is doing what she's supposed to do. All right, when it comes to like molding and doing a whole bunch of stuff with the unit, I'm not doing all of that. Like I find that the more messy it is, the more natural it looks. Like when it's not super manicured, like we need to stop that. We need to stop the one-track baby hairs. Okay, y'all need to go and look at some baby hair pictures, like people with really nice baby hairs, and mimic that. That's what baby hair is supposed to look like, not a mustache. Just saying. Anyways, so it was super easy to style, and KLAIYI always comes through. They always have really nice hair. Like this is really beautiful and luscious and full of body, and the highlights, like the highlight, I'm loving the highlights. I'm loving the highlights. Like the highlights just very soft and feminine. It's not too much, especially for someone like me who's afraid of color. You would think as a person who does a bunch of wig reviews, I would be willing to try a bunch of color. No, like I'm not really into it. Like, so the natural looking hair colors is more my type of thing, and this one is definitely up my alley. I love her. I didn't do any baby hairs, and y'all know I love baby hairs, and this unit is perfect for it because the way the lace is just laying, you know, I decided to just leave it as is so you guys can see the lace without any baby hairs, because I always tend to want to hide the lace with baby hairs, and I just love how baby hairs look on me in general. But this is so beautiful, so good. Anyways, make sure you check out KLAIYI. Everything will be linked in the description box. So without further ado, let's just get right on into the styling of the video.
You say you need a time, I think you mean a buyout, cause it's pretty clear you're on your way out. And though I understand it's hard sometimes to make up your mind in these trying times, yeah, I just can't accept you leaving me when I'm overseas with the heart so heavy. Think that I deserve the truth for once, not a guilty tone, cause you're not alone, yeah. You said you wanna come home, but
So that's basically all I did. It is super easy. I get the jumbo rollers off of Amazon. Mine is a little, thought it was an earthquake, girl, because you know Japan be shaking, child. Anyways, I get them off of Amazon. These bendy rollers are your friend. Drench the hair, curl the hair, and let it dry. Put it under your soft bond dryer and you're good to go. That's all you need, and you can have some of the most luscious curls that are actually going to last. That are actually going to last. Like, it's so easy. That's all I did. I put it on, styled it, and we were good to go. And when it comes to styling, I didn't do much to it because I didn't even cut it. I didn't layer it. I didn't cut it. Nothing. And look how beautiful. I feel like Beyonce. I'm gonna start saying that. I feel like Beyonce. It is so good. Anyways, make sure you check out KLAIYI. Everything will be linked in the description box. Listen, if it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. Follow me on all of my social media platforms, TikTok, IG, Snapchat. Everything is under my name. Follow my coloring channel because I absolutely love what's going on over there. We're having a good time over there. It's just a very good chill vibe. And yeah, make sure you check out KLAIYI. Like I said, once again, everything will be linked to the description box, and shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. And until the next video, take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys really soon. Glamorous,